Let's settle something today. There's one myth in AI that almost every beginner still believes, and honestly, it's stopping people from ever building their first model. If you are just getting into AI or trying to level up, this might save you months. When most people think about AI, they imagine this crazy world of intense math, metrics flying everywhere, Greek symbols attacking you, equations screaming for help. Like you need to become the second coming of Einstein before you ever write a single line of code. Bro, relax. The myth goes like this. You need advanced math before you can start learning AI. I get it. When you hear words like linear algebra, pencils, true values, gradient, it sounds scary. But here is the truth. You do not need advanced math to start building AI. If you can write basic Python code, you can already build sentiment analysis, text classification, TF-IDF models, recommendation systems, code embeddings, and small neural networks without even diving into heavy maths first. And I know this because I literally started like this. I just completed my first module, my NLP course, and guess what? I didn't need PhD level math to understand any of it. I learned stemming, quantization, GAMS tokenizers, TF-IDF, and the basics of neural world embeddings. And by using just these fundamentals, now I've built my first recommendation engine using NLP called Recommender V1. If you have any content database, let's say e-commerce products or movies or articles or musics or any other content database you may have, you can easily install Recommender V1 and then connect your content database in the user search query and user interest to Recommender V1 to generate user search interest tag and also recommend similar content based on user interest. Now, don't get me wrong, the math does matter, but here's the trick nobody tells beginners. You will learn the maths faster when you are building real projects. When you see TF-IDF working, then the formulas make sense. When you train a neural network, the ingredient and tensors click. You implement embeddings, then vector math become intuitive. That's why they would advise learn all the math first is the fastest way to never start. So, if you are watching this and you are stuck, feeling like you're not smart enough for AI, trust me, start building first. Let the maths catch up. Your brain learns better when it sees things in action. And don't worry, I'm literally learning this stuff with you. I'm currently on a journey to build my own AI model, and I'm documenting everything step by step. Every concept I learn, I'm building a real project with it and showing you how. So, if you want to follow the journey, learn NLP, AI, and build projects with me, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and comment what you want me to break down next. See you in the next one.